Did you say you have one lens only? You're in the right place. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we're gonna challenge my Leica Q2 with my Leica Q2. In detail, I'm gonna shoot the exact same pictures with the 28 and 35 millimeters, trying to decide which one would be the best framing for street photography. It is very hard to shoot exactly the same picture, so what did I do? I took advantage of the fact that we can have the framing lines within the framing in the Leica Q2, and shooting both RAW and JPEG, I will have the JPEGs cut already to 35 millimeters, while the RAW will be still at 28 millimeter if you do not process them with Photoshop. So I'm gonna use Capture One 2022, and in this way I will have the exact same pictures shot at both 28 and 35 millimeter. Another thing that we will have to consider for this comparison is that the JPEGs will come straight out of the camera, while the 28 millimeters are RAW files, and so I will be able to edit that. I will not do it to have a fair comparison. I will just have the Capture One automatic settings to try to moderate the highlights or the shadows. But anyway, the other very challenge that I have is that the grid that you can see inside the framing only applies to 28 millimeter, meaning that when I'm doing my framing with the framing lines at 35 millimeters, so when I'm framing for my picture, the subject will be either in the third with the rule of third applied thanks to the grid for the 28 millimeter, or it will just be inside the framing lines for the 35 millimeters. So of course the comparison will not be so fair, because I will have to pick up the exact framing for that particular subject, and the end result will be that a few images will be better framed at 28 and the other ones will be better framed at 35. In other cases, again, I will have to do the crop, because that will not be enough. Today is the day of the Pride Parade, so I will have some subjects quite far away and I will have to reframe and cut and crop to 50 millimeters. We will see it together case by case. So if you're ready, let's go rolling. What do I have to say? It was fun to challenge the Leica Q2 with the Leica Q2. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down here below. If you got any value out of this video, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come. And I guess I will see you later. It's a beautiful summer in Vancouver, so I will have many other excuses to go out and snap pictures. Thank you. Bye.